Hey, this is me again, another day, another repair. We have a top load Samsung washer, and uh, we have some rust here. I will definitely take care of this one later on, but so we're not talk about that one. So it's wiggling, moving, as you can see. It's totally so it could be few things, so we will check. We can start it from in your case you may have a top cover right here, so just you need to pop it out with a small flat screwdriver. But in my case we don't have that, so we just need to remove that knob, that screw. Then we able to remove the wash palette. So we will check, but it could be fitting the way I explained. It could be a flank shift or a spider arm, so that's going to be cracked, because these are the material will turn out, after fuse, like corrosion, like sandy things. We facing with this kind of issue. Some GE old school, LG, Samsung, and few Maytag. So but the rest, but the most Samsung and LG, they have this kind of issue which I'm facing. Then some profile GE top load washer, not this typical, the G profile. Anyhow, so we're going to fix that one. We can start removing that screw. Then you can get a plier. Okay. Or you can just get a flat screwdriver, bend it there and pull it. This is nasty, but we will take care of that one. And alright, and that's a good sign. So we just have a tab knob. This port is broke. So we need to replace that one. Then I will definitely clean that one and get the part ready, and we can put it back. But yes, so I believe once I clean out, I will check that the washer. So this was the problem, so I just got a new one. So we can hand clockwise, so when we tighten it up, okay, and we can use, I believe, so there you go. So this is a 33, my bad, it's 38. It's a 38 millimeter. So I use these for Samsung and LG. I believe Samsung will fit smaller, but still. So if you don't have one of these, that's totally fine. So you can get lock range, one of these. So then you can tighten it up. But we will go ahead and do this one. Okay, so we can go now. Wash palette. Okay. I guess it is right here. and we done. Thanks so much for watching. If getting value from the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any question again, and I'll see you next videos. Bye bye.